Hi, I'm Alex from Stream, and today I'm going to show you how to measure for a twin sliding window screen. The track of the twin sliding screen is fitted to the window reveal, so to the side walls here and here, the top and the sill. Before we can start to measure, we need to consider where in the reveal we'd like our screen to sit, because the dimensions at the back of the reveal can differ from those at the front. In addition to that, we need to ensure that the screen is fitted in front of any obstructions or handles that are present on the framework, because those will cause an obstruction to the screen. In our case, I've decided to fit the screen quite far forward in the reveal, and that's where I'm going to take our dimensions. So in taking the dimensions, we recommend taking 3 measurements across the width of the reveal and 3 measurements across the height, and using the smallest of those when choosing your kit size. In doing so, I'm going to use a steel tape measure, and I'm going to take the dimensions in millimetres because that'll give you the greatest accuracy, and it's also what we use on the website. So first of all, I'm going to take the width at the top, and that is 1190. I'm just going to note that down. Next, we're going to do the middle on the width of the reveal. And that is also coming in at 1190. So again, I'm going to note that down. And lastly, I'm going to take the measurement at the bottom, and that is 1185. So again, I'll just note that down. And now I'm going to take the height measurements. So firstly, the right hand side, which is 915. Just note that down. And now for the middle height measurement. And that is coming in at 920. So lastly, we're going to take the left hand measurement, and the height on that is 925. Just note that down. So now I have all the measurements that I need, and I'm going to select the smallest width and the smallest height and use those to select my kit size from the drop-down menu on the website. I hope you found this video helpful. When you come to measure your reveal, if you do have any questions at all, please get in touch. We are more than happy to help. Thanks so much for watching.